So today we will be answering this question of yours that when the mummies really exist and why mummification is done.
Ancient Egyptians believed that their body needed to be preserved in order for them to enjoy the afterlife. This picture tells you about their culture and the practices.
Purpose of Egyptian mummification. The ancient Egyptians believed that after the death, their body would travel to another world during the day. At night, they would return to their body. The picture shows
In order for the person's spirit to live forever, it had to be able to recognize and return to the body. If a spirit could not recognize the body it belonged to, it would die. So this is why the Egyptians wanted to preserve the body of the dead in as life-like a state as possible. Mummification guaranteed eternal life of spirit.
ancient Egyptian mummification developed over time. In 3400 BC, the first burials in the hot desert sands led to natural mummification of the whole body, as you can see in the first picture. In 3000 BC, later placing the body in a coffin meant that only the skeleton survived. In 2600 BC, so the Egyptians developed a way to artificially mummify the body before putting it in the coffin, which preserved the body.
Now, why was the early idea of burying the mummy in the hot sand replaced? Let's hear. So the desert sand was hot and dry, and the body is placed in the hot sand dehydrated because the hot sand absorbed the water from the body. And the dehydration, which means dried out, preserved the whole body. So the plan was cancelled. And the second
As you can see in the presentation, it was not preserving the body but decaying it. The result of natural sand-dried mummy was the skin was preserved, it was buried in sand. In the picture you can see that the preserved skin and you can see buried in sand and also the paper which was given to the body for the afterlife.
Also, the body had a line of animals in desert, bodies buried in the desert sands were at risk from wild animals, and if the animals attacked the bodies, they would not be preserved and would not reach the afterlife. So the next method came.
What was the second solution? Was it 100% correct method for preserving body? They decided to place a modern coffin. Will this work? No. As you can see in the picture, this is skeleton, not a mummy. The soft parts of the body have rotten away and there is only skeleton left. Why did the body rot? The hot dry sand could not reach the body to dry it out, so the soft parts rotted away.
Now, lastly, they got an idea which was actually successful. The ancient Egyptians realized that they needed to mummify the dead body artificially before they replaced in the coffin. They dehydrated the body and the internal organs by covering them in salt, and then they wrapped the body in linen bandage.
A mummy mask was placed over the face of the wrapped body and then the body was put inside one or more wooden coffins. As you can see, this is a banded mummy. This is the banded mummy of a Christ called Horn Desert. The mummy is placed in the inner coffin and the mummy mask was placed over the wrapped face.
Now, but all the Egyptians preserved in the coffins and mummified, let's see. Now here is the lid of the inner coffin, which is horns of it was closed. Then the inner coffin was placed in the outer coffin. Now, why this process was not followed by all the Egyptians? Because this process was very expensive, so over 99% of the population were buried in the sand-like first method and to become natural sand-dried mummies, and only the people who were rich and the kings were buried like this in the coffins.
The next step was to keep the coffin into a tomb and keep the essential daily use products with it. They kept all the luxury gold, wine, food in the tomb. The coffin was put in a tomb, other objects were placed alongside that would be useful, as you can see. There is a food can For now,